Hi students, yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, today is a gift. That's why it's called the present. So make our present with positive thoughts. Be happy. Let us start our today's lesson. So, in our last grammar class, we learnt about subject and predicate. Lesson 2, subject and predicate. From a sentence, how can we realize a subject? Okay, from a subject in a sentence about whom we are talking, that is subject. About the subject what we are talking, that is predicate. And we already done exercise A and exercise B and exercise C. Now we are going to do the exercise D. Join the matching parts to make meaningful sentences. The first one has been done for you. Okay, there is three columns are given there. First one subject, second one verb, and the rest of the sentence column. That is 1, 2, 3. So these are the three columns. From these three columns, we have to make a meaningful sentence. First one already given here. We have to start with these oranges. Here, oranges, it's a plural form. So how can we have to select a verb from this second column. Verbs are given here: is, works, is playing, are, is. These are the verbs. Now here these oranges plural, so only one plural verb is here, that is are. These oranges are. Now from the rest of the sentence part, in a factory, mine, very sweet, a scoring subject with her toys. So from this sentence part, we have to select very sweet. These oranges are very sweet. Now we are going to make second sentence from this. What is the first one? Subject is maths. Okay, now we have to select the verb. Maths is. Now rest of the sentence: in a factory, mine, very sweet, a scoring subject with her toys. So a scoring subject is the right option. So maths is a scoring subject. So answer you have to write the next page. Maths is a scoring subject. Scoring spelling SCORING. Scoring. Subject SUBJECT. Subject. Now second one, again we are going to the previous page. Third subject is my father. My father. Here we already use are and is. Now these three verbs are left. From these three verbs we can select works. My father works. Now we have to select rest of the sentence part. In a factory, mine, very sweet. Very sweet already over, and scoring subject. Sorry students, it's my fault. So our third one, it is my father, is and are over. So from this three option we have to select the verb works. Now very sweet already over, scoring subject also over. Now remaining ones are in a factory, mine, with her toys. So in a factory is the right option. So the third one answer, my father works in a factory. Answer you have to write the next page. My father works in a factory. My, FATHER, father, WORKS works, IN in, A factory, FACTORY. Now the next one, fourth one, my little sister. From these verbs we have to select a correct verb. Is playing. Is playing is the right option. And next one, with her toys. So answer is my little sister is playing with her toys. Answer you have to write in the next page. My little sister is playing with her toys. Now we are going to do the next portion. Next one, that bicycle is our playing works. Now only one it is left, that is. So we have to join this sentence. That bicycle is. Now only here also only one it is left, that is mine. My cycle, that bicycle is mine. So we have to write the answer in this page. That bicycle is mine. Now the next exercise, exercise E. Write one sentence to describe the action shown in each of the given pictures. Underline the subject with red and the predicate with blue. So we have to look at this picture and we have to make a complete sentence. First one I written, they cheat in the exam. They cheat in the exam. According to the picture you have to make the sentence. They cheat in the exam. Here they is the subject, that is why I circle with a red pencil. Cheat in the exam, predicate. They is the subject, cheat in the exam, predicate. Now second one, children are playing on the ground. Children are playing on the ground. Here children subject, circle with the red pencil. Are playing on the ground, predicate, circle with blue pencil. Now third one it is, Ramu is watering the plants. Ramu subject, is watering the plants, predicate. Now fourth one, my mother is cutting vegetables. My mother is cutting vegetables. My mother subject, is cutting vegetables, predicate. Now fifth one, she is eating an ice cream. Here she is the subject, is eating an ice cream, predicate. Instead of she you can use any girl's name. Sixth one, they are watching TV. Here they is the subject, are watching TV, predicate. Now next one, seventh one it is, my brother sleeping on the bed. My brother subject, is sleeping on the bed, predicate. The birds are flying in the sky. Here the birds subject, are flying in the sky, predicate. So this is the lesson. Second lesson is over. Second lesson we learnt about the sentences, kinds of sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentences are there. Assertive sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences and exclamatory sentences. Okay, so all the exercises are over. You have to learn this lesson nicely. See you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.